All right, Gary, let's go for a ride in a 1971 Ford Ranchero.
Yep.
We don't get a whole lot of these too often.
No, we mostly get El Caminos.
Yep, lots of El Caminos, not many Rancheros, but this is a cool body style, man. It's got that Torino look, you know?
Yeah.
It's got the hideaway headlights and the graphics up the side. It's a Ranchero 500 with the GT appearance group that was added to it. So not a real GT, but looks like it.
Yeah, it's got 351 in it.
Yeah, 351 big block Cleveland in it with a C4 trans, right?
Yeah, I think it's got a C4 trans behind this one.
But it's got power steering, factory power disc brakes, also has factory air conditioning. Yeah. So that's pretty cool too.
Oh yeah.
Interior's nice, got brand new carpet kit. Upholstery's in nice shape, headliner's in good shape. It's got a spray-in bed liner, so the bed looks real nice. The dash has a couple little things in it under here, so it's got that dash cover to cover it up, but you know what, it looks good, it's presentable.
Yeah, no, it's not bad at all, man. It's nice, comfortable seating.
Smog exempt.
Yeah, oh, that's always good, especially out here.
It's got those sport mirrors, the dual sport mirrors. Look at that hi-fi stereo system, dude.
Yeah. Anybody got any cassettes left?
Exactly. But it's got a couple speakers behind the seat, you know, so you can listen to tunes if you want to. Thing runs good though.
Oh yeah, no, it has, you know, and it drives nice. You know, it's got that, just like the El Camino. You know, it's got a car drive.
Nice
you
car
can still
feel.
put something in the back.
Yeah, throw something in the back if you need to or want to. And it's got the Magnum wheels on there too, like the Ford's version of the Rally wheels.
Yeah, yeah, the Magnum 500 or something
Yep,
like that.
yep. All right, we'll come up here and take some pictures. All right, here's our new addition to the dealership. It's a 1971 Ford Ranchero 500. Pretty cool, you know. This is the Ford's version of the El Camino. Good looking car. Looks like the Torino, you know, in the front. This one's got the hideaway headlights. Look at those black plates. It's a California car since new. Really looks good underneath. All original, no patch panels, rust free. This has a GT appearance group that was added to the car. It's not a GT, it's a 500. But, you know, it's got all the GT trim. It's all original stuff, it looks like, that was purchased, maybe secondhand used, because they don't reproduce a lot of these parts. You can get the, you know, the graphics and stuff, but that lower valance and everything is probably kind of hard to get. But it's got the scooped hood on there, the aero mirrors. Kind of like that steer on the side, pretty cool. Inside is real nice. We just put a new carpet kit in it. It came with the car when we bought it, so we said, let's put it in. This nice new carpet. Door panels are already in good shape. The seats are kind of like a velour and vinyl and comfortable. So you're not going to stick to it in this 100-degree weather we're having. Nice and comfortable. Headliner's in good shape. Got that old style LTD style steering wheel. But all kind of stock other than the stereo in here. Just a little AM, FM cassette. You know, nowadays they have those custom auto sound radios with Bluetooth and all that. That can be done too. We actually offer those services here. But really good looking car. Got the Magnum wheels with the Cooper radial GTs on there. Nice paint too. Paint's, I'd give it an 8.5 probably. Really nice paint. Like I said, no bubbling along the bottom of the fenders or anything. Really solid. Sweet looking ride. All right, here's the power plant in the Ranchero 500. It's got a 351 Cleveland, nice big block in there, lots of torque, with a 2-barrel carburetor. That's what it came with. It has factory air conditioning. It's been freshened up to the R134 Freon, so it's been updated, which is nice. It's got power disc brakes, dual master there. It's got factory power steering, and again, like I mentioned earlier, you know, it's got the hideaway headlights. Got a cool look, little spoiler up front underneath, and stock up here though. Let's go ahead and fire this one up for you. It's nice and smooth, nice and simple. You know, no major modifications done to the motor. You know, it runs real strong. It's backed by that automatic transmission. It's got a nice dual exhaust with Flowmasters on it. Sounds good. It's a good running little car. Even got a little tow package on there, which I got a permanent scar on my knee to prove it. But Pretty neat car. If you want to come out and see it in person, come see us. We're California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name's Rich. I'd be happy to help you. Or Gary over there would be happy to help you as well if I'm off messing around and not working. All right, thanks for watching.